Hi, and welcome to Biology 308, Contemporary Biology. My name is Sherry Graves, and I'll be your instructor this semester. This is the inaugural version of the online section of Contemporary Biology, so I welcome you as the first class to experience that. I hope that you will feel free to tell me if things aren't working as well as they should, or if you have suggestions about a way to do things better. I welcome those types of suggestions from you. I am a biologist. I consider myself an evolutionary biologist and a field biologist, and I became interested in biology by being outdoors and working in the field and trapping mice and following them through the night when I put powdered dye on them to figure out whether they spent more time on the ground or climbing on branches. So my interest started with the outdoors, but then when I went to graduate school, I began teaching biology and found that that's what I really loved, the ability to share what I found so fascinating about the field with other people. So hopefully you will find that interesting as well as we go through the different types of biological sciences within this course. Now, contemporary biology is a non-majors course, and what that means is that I won't assume any background on your part. And we'll try to present everything starting at the very basic level before getting into more complicated tasks. However, if you ever feel as though you don't have the background to understand something or you want more resources, just ask, and I'm happy to provide those and to steer you towards different websites or books or other sources of information that might help you better understand the material. Now, this is also what's called typically a survey class. And by a survey class, what we mean is that you look at a number of different topics that span the entire field of biology. And that has its pros and cons. The pros are that you get to a very broad sense of biology as a discipline, and you get to see the bigger picture of how all those different pieces connect to one another. And that can be a good perspective to have. The downside of a survey course is that sometimes just when something starts to get really interesting, boom, we're moving on to the next topic. And you feel like, wait, I really would like to explore that more. And so I will try to put in assignments and have chances for you to pick certain topics within the class that you can explore in more detail so that different individuals can look into the things that interest them most in more depth and report on those rather than having the class have to be exactly identical for every single student. I hope that you will be able to get to know your fellow students in this class, and so I will provide some opportunities for that so that we can try to be what they call a community of learners, a group of people working together to best understand this material. So sometimes it may be one of your classmates that provides the perspective or the explanation that makes something click. Rather than something that I've said. So I hope in this class that we'll get to know one another and work together so that all of us can come out of this at the end of this semester feeling like we gained a lot from the course and understanding the material, but also from getting to know one another. So I will see you soon with additional videos and information. And again, welcome to the class. If you have any questions between now and when we truly start, please email me and ask any question you have. I'm always eager to be in contact with you. Thank you.